Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for an account on the Lyft app. So Lyft is basically an app that helps you to commute anywhere, any time of the day, and makes it easier for you to bring into conveniency any sort of travel movement that is required. So if you'd like to make an account at Lyft, this is what you need to do. Stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how you can do that. So for this, first of all, head over to the Lyft app. And as you open up the Lyft app, you will see an option that says Get Started. So tap on Get Started. And the first thing you'll have to do is enter your phone number. So here I'm just going to enter my phone number and then tap on the arrow button. After tapping on the arrow button, it says here that a certain code will be sent to you and that you'll have to enter the code in order to log into your account or to sign up for your account. So I'm just gonna see the code that I've received and just type in the code over here. After doing this, you'll be taken to another interface where you'll have to give them your name. So I'm just going to give them my name, give in your first name and your last name, and then tap on the arrow. After doing this, you also have to provide them with your email address. So make sure that you type in your email address as well, and then tap on the arrow again. Then here it says before you can proceed, you must read and agree with the Lyft's terms of service. So make sure that you read through it. And if you agree to it, tap on the I agree button. After tapping on the I agree button, you can allow Lyft to send you push notifications. So tap on allow. And now they're going to ask you the mode that by means of which you'd like to pay them. So you can either use PayPal, credit or debit card. So it also says that you'll only be charged after the ride, or you can also use another method like this. But if you'd like to skip this process for now, tap on the skip button on the top right corner. And now here it says you can add a photo for safer and smoother pickups. But now I don't want to add it at this moment, so I'm just going to tap on later. And now it's going to ask you if you want to take a ride right now or get ready to ride later. So I'm just going to tap on get ready to ride later. Then tap on the later button. You can also tap on the skip button or do the necessaries. And eventually you'll get directed towards an interface that pretty much looks like this, where you can see that on the top left corner there are 3 horizontal lines. When you tap on it, you'll be able to see that you have been logged into your account. So this is basically how you can sign up for Lyft. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that this video has been able to help you out. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around in the next video.